Snow ASMR. I'm gonna be filming some b-roll with the 18 or 16 to 35 f2.8 lens, and watch this b-roll in 3, 2, 1, go. So I've been using this 16 to 35 version 2 for a day now. I haven't really looked through the image, but it's looking really good out of the camera. We'll see once I'm editing. You guys will see it. I feel like this lens is a very good choice if you are making content for yourself, if you're a landscape photographer or video, or if you're traveling. This is a very good lens. Like, the zoom on it is pretty good. You get 16 to 35, and if it's like 2.8 from 16 to 35, which is sick. This lens doesn't have image stabilization, so all the footage that you guys saw is in the EOS R using only digital IS, because I don't have image stabilization in the version 2. But I do think there's image stabilization in version 3, but I'm not sure. That lens is like way expensive, so I'm just a beta. I don't have money. That's why I bought this lens for cheap. Final thoughts on the 16 to 35 Canon f2.8 version 2. I think it's a really good budget lens if you buy it used. I don't know if they're still making this lens new, but yeah, buying good lenses will help you. It will help improve your photo and videos. I mostly take video with this lens, and it's a great vlogging camera. As you can see, it's very versatile. And yeah, you don't want to be switching lenses when you're out there, you know. You don't want to expose your sensor. And yeah, that's why I think that buying a zoom lens is much better than having prime lenses. I mean, prime lenses have its use, But from my experience, I think that zoom lenses are the way to go. You know what I mean? Yeah, like right now I'm in the wild. I don't want to be like switching lenses just to get a shot. I want to be quick with my shots, like wide, tight, in such a short period of time without changing lenses. That's the best part about buying a zoom lens. Bakit ba? Grabe naman. Dito na ako sa bahay ni Joseph Smith ata to. So, may nahanap akong tindahan dito sa Utah. Sari-sari store. Bibili ako ng gas kasi naubos na yung gas sa bahay. Ate, pabili nga po ng gasol. Hey, what's going on, guys? I made it to a house here in Antelope Island, and I found a toy in the Philippines, yung laruan ko ng bata ko. Yeah, I used to play that wheel before. You know what I mean? Sewing machine, and you like go inside and pretend that you're driving a car, you know? So sick. This is like the creepiest house ever. Looks very antique. Kind of looks like an old house, you know? It's pretty weird. It's like the only house here in Antelope Island. I don't know what's going on, but this is so weird. House, and it's like buried underground. I don't know who lives in these kinds of houses before, but this is so weird. Look at that place. I'll take a B-roll of it. Like, look at this place. This is so weird. Let's go in, guys. Holy shoot. Holy frick! What the frick? This is probably the weirdest thing I've seen all day. Look at this. So we made it here in Shrek's house, the swamps of Utah. I'm with my friend Dwayne.
Stop doing that!
What the heck is that? Somebody once told me the world is gonna know me. Keep the shower stool in the shed. What's going on, guys? So here in Shrek's house we found the delicate arch. So I found another toy that we used to play in the Philippines. Cow poop. We used to, yeah, I remember when I was young, during New Year's Eve, people would sell fireworks and we would like put fireworks on the cow poop and run. We'll take photos of Dwayne. Cocoa Puffs. They have Cocoa Puffs here, dude. What's up, guys? Welcome to my house here in Utah. I'll give you guys a tour. So I have there's 4 people here. I have 3 roommates. This is my bed. And we have the heater here in the middle. Astig no? Para tayong nasa